Are you in need of a reliable roofing company in Frederick, Colorado for your home or business? Denny's Roofing, LLC is your best option. Our experienced team of professionals is here to provide you with top-notch roofing services to ensure the safety and security of your property. At Denny's Roofing, LLC, we understand the importance of a sturdy roof for your home or business. That's why we're dedicated to providing high-quality roof replacement services to our clients in Frederick, Company. Our team of experts has years of experience in the roofing industry and is committed to providing our clients with superior workmanship and excellent customer service. Whether you need a new roof installed or your current roof replaced, we've got you covered. Our team uses only the best materials to ensure that your roof lasts for years to come. We offer a wide range of roofing services, including roof replacement in Frederick, Colorado, repair, and maintenance, to meet all of your roofing needs. If you're experiencing leaks, damage, or wear and tear on your roof, don't wait to give us a call at 970-275-4012. Or visit our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/Frederick-Roofing-Company to learn more about our services and to view our portfolio of completed projects. We'll provide you with a free estimate and work with you to develop a solution that fits your needs and budget. Protect your home with Denny's Roofing, LLC Solutions.